it's me, Candy. Welcome back to my channel. Hello. Today's video was a really fun one to film. I wasn't paid for this video, but I was sent the item to review and unbox for y'all from Eco Gear, and I worked with them in the past unboxing their Cupid keycaps for Valentine's Day. I actually still have those keycaps on my Razer keyboard. When I tell you I really love those keycaps, I really love those keycaps. And like I said in that video, I've been trying to get more into keyboards and keycaps because I don't know, I'm trying to move away from like Razer products because I feel like there's just so many more PC peripherals that are pink and cute out there that I just don't know of, because Razer really does a good job at dominating that specific demographic, anyone who wants pink peripherals. So I was super duper excited that Eco wanted to send over a keyboard for me to unbox for y'all. I'm really excited to unbox this keyboard. It is so pretty and I think it's perfect for springtime. I love cherry blossoms and spring and all that, so I'm super excited to unbox it for y'all. But before we get started, if you haven't already, please be sure to click that subscribe button. That would really mean a lot to me and it really helps out the channel. And if you're already subscribed, thank you so much. It truly means a lot to me and I really appreciate it. Please be sure to click that bell icon, that way you're notified whenever I post a new video. And if you want to see more kind of tech related unboxings and review videos, be sure to click that thumbs up button. Now we're gonna do my weird sad attempt at trying to do an ASMR portion where I unbox the keyboard, and I'll come back at the end to give you my final thoughts. And that was the unboxing. I really love unboxing Aiko products. They're just so pretty and it's so nice to see the packaging and everything. I low-key like my hoarder tendencies come out because I kind of want to keep all the packaging, but I don't have space for them. But here's the keyboard. I had to actually unplug it because I kept it plugged in because I actually really love this keyboard. I know it's a full-size keyboard and I have the smaller keyboards, but I just love having the number pad. I don't know, I'm used to it. And I just think it's so pretty. Like, look at this. Like, I ain't never seen two pretty best friends. She's literally the pretty best friend. I didn't show in the unboxing, but it's so cool on the back here. I don't know how I didn't realize this. I'm an idiot, but here, let me get closer. This is where you plug it in to actually be able to use the keyboard, but you can actually snake the wire, the cable, through any one of these sides, depending on what side, you know, the cable's coming from to your PC, to your desktop. And I think that's so cool because it makes it look a lot nicer and more organized on your desk. And I just think that's so cool. And it also, like, I don't know, it's awkward keeping the cable out this way, so it's cool that you can kind of tuck it into one of these sides here. I really like it. And of course the sound, oh, it's so good. I love this keyboard. And thank you again to Aiko Gear for sending this over for me to unbox and review for all of y'all. I definitely recommend this keyboard if you prefer a full-size keyboard with the number pad and everything. It's just so nice. It's such a cute design, and the sound, beautiful, and the packaging, amazing. I really love this keyboard. It's so good. If you haven't already, please be sure to click that subscribe button. That really means a lot to me and it really helps out the channel. If you're already subscribed, thank you so much. I really appreciate that. Please be sure to click that bell icon, that way you're notified whenever I post a new video. If you want to see more tech unboxing videos, please be sure to give this video a thumbs up. And thank you so much again for watching. It truly means a lot to me, and I hope you have a great and magical, wonderful day. Bye!